Some threat actors are driven not by money, not by ideology, but by the desire to create turmoil. These agents of chaos thrive on disorder, seeking to disrupt for disruption's sake or to sow confusion and uncertainty. Disruption and chaos as motivations can manifest in various forms. It could be crippling the critical infrastructure, spreading misinformation, or launching indiscriminate attacks that cause widespread panic and disorder. These acts are meant to destabilize, disorient, and demoralize people or organizations. Think about the attack in 2016, which was a DIN cyber attack where a massive DDoS assault took down major websites across the internet, and that created significant disruption and a sense of vulnerability. In 2017, the NotPetya attack initially aimed at Ukraine but quickly spread worldwide, causing billions in damages and chaos across multiple industries. Another example is the spread of misinformation during election cycles, where cyber attackers create and disseminate false information to sow discord, undermine trust in the electoral process, and create political chaos. Now, these attackers often revel in the uncertainty and fear that their actions evoke, and the chaos itself, the sense of instability and unpredictability it creates, is their reward, right? I initially mentioned that they are not looking for money. They are not driven by ideology, but they have just the desire to create turmoil, panic, and financial loss. Now, understanding the mindset that finds satisfaction in disorder is a key to anticipating and mitigating these kinds of threats. Imagine this happens with a stock market, right? A stock market where trading algorithms are tampered with, and this will of course lead to panic and financial loss. There will be chaos, there will be disruption, and it's not theoretical.